our 6 steam locos are in steam today, making this the biggest gala that our railway has ever done. With Joan, Railway Queen, Michael and Billie, all built here in Rhyl, and they are joined at the back, well not right at the back, shoot speechwriter, by Rhyl Town Council's Billie. Prince Edward of Wales and the Cagney are also in steam today. Prince Edward of Wales was our original loco when the railway first opened in 1911. Our charity, Rhyl Steam Preservation Trust, bought Billie last year from its previous owner, Mr. Austin Moss. Hello Austin! Who is also here. Austin commenced its restoration to working order with the assistance from the North Bay Railway Engineering Society Services, and the work has been completed here in Rhyl. Billie was sold when it was built in the Dreamland Miniature Railway in Margate, hence why the DMR on the tender. So we restored it back. You can't get the star. I've been heckled, but I've been whistled at. Billie was sold when new to Dreamland Miniature Railway Margate, so we restored it back into its Dreamland livery. 3 weeks ago it worked its first passenger trains. Since 1983, 40 years ago. We would particularly like to thank David Colley for making the shiny dome and nameplates which finished the motor off. It's always been the brainchild of our trust chairman Les Hughes, who was unfortunately away at the wedding, so there you go, to reunite all 6 of the Barnes Atlantics here in Rhyl. We're at 5, one more. He has been following this railway with a passion since first buying the trains back in 1980. Rhyl Miniature Railway is run by a team of staff and volunteers that are very small in number. We've never imagined that one day we'd hold an event with 6 of our own locos in steam. It represents the pinnacle of our achievement with all our team members helping to bring this about. And I am grateful for everybody here today that helped put this together. I'd also like to thank Rhyl Bid and the other charities and community groups that have supported us. And after this ceremony, trains will run all afternoon, and at 4:30 there'll be a train with all 4 of the barns running together. I would now like to invite the Mayor and Catherine to officially unveil Billie's nameplate. Thank you.